In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color theme in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you want to make your browser look cleaner, darker, brighter, or just more personal, this is one of the easiest customizations you can do. It takes only a minute, and you do not need any extra software or extensions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, your desktop, or your start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome opens, the next step is to open a new tab. Just click the New Tab button, which is the plus sign at the top of your browser. This is important because the customization options are easier to access from the New Tab page. After that, look down toward the bottom right corner of the page. You should see an option that says Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, a customization panel will appear, and this is where Chrome gives you control over the appearance of your browser. You'll now see different color themes and style options you can choose from. Scroll through the available themes and click on the one you like best. As soon as you click a theme, Chrome updates instantly, so you can preview the new look right away. That makes it really easy to test different colors until you find one that matches your style. Some people prefer a darker theme for a cleaner look, while others like brighter colors or softer tones. You can keep experimenting until you find the one that feels right for you. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can completely change the look of Google Chrome and make it feel more personal every time you open your browser. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.